Welcome back. I'm here at the junkyard for some Junkyard Adventures. Again, need a few things. One, I know it's no SCs here, so I'm gonna try to get I need a headlight wire harness, and for my great element I need the wiper stock. For some reason the motor for the pump doesn't turn on. I checked fuse, I replaced the motor, still not coming on. So next thing to do is to grab the wiper stock. That's the only thing else I can think of. And I think my uncle needs something too for his element. I think he needs a what is that? The weather stripping around the back, because I think it was coming apart or came apart or something. So I got to get that for him also. And if anything else we'll find, hopefully I could get. So let's keep going. I think they have three elements here, and then we'll head down to the other junkyard because they have two more down that way. I think I got to go a little bit further. Let's pick back up. Sorry. So here's the green one. See what we got here. Oh wow, they destroyed it. Oh, the stock is there. That's what I need. Let's see, what about the weather stripping? That one's cut over there, so that's not gonna work. It's not all-wheel drive. It doesn't even look like it was, what was wrong with it besides, was it crashed in the back? Oh, just this little, wow. Oh, and I guess the rest of it too. This could have been put back on the road. Alright, so didn't have anything from that one. I think the stock and the turn signal is all like one unit, but it was broken. And the back weather stripping was damaged too. So I gotta head to the next one. I'm not even sure what aisle I'm on. I was on 37. I need to get to 48. 48. Let's see here. Usually they sit on the back of the cars. That one didn't. That one didn't say nothing either. Don't see it nowhere. Probably gotta walk all the way to the end. Yeah. I'm not sure what number I'm on. That looks like it's at 48. Right on top of there. Well, there it is, over there. 48. She's pulled apart. Let's see. Oh, the whole thing is, it might be off. It's all-wheel drive. Rear end still there. It's not good. It's automatic. Let's see if this will open. Yeah, that part opens. Let's see here. Oh, both opens. And the weather stripping on this one looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all. right, let's see if we get this molding off here. I think this is what he wanted. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta take I gotta take those off. I don't know what's gonna happen when this comes all the way off. I never took one of these off before, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Oh, it just goes a little lower, that's all. Let's see, I think that's what he wanted. And then let's go check out this stock because I think it's completely off. Oh wow. So I just need this side. So will this come out by itself? They made it all one unit, looks like. Alright, so it has these ears on it. When you take the screw out, it's like a little holder there. So I have to break those out, and then it slides right out, so it is not one piece. And I believe the same thing is for the your headlights too. So that's all I needed from there. And I got my weather stripping. Oh, yeah, let's see here what else we need. Let me take the big cutters and see if the headlight harness is there. I'm hoping that they're the same, but I strongly doubt it. Because I think the SC has 3 different ones. But we got something. We'll piece something together. Let's put that in there. And the other thing I wanted to know, oh, that one's broken. If I could pull the whole cable out, but that one's already broken, so that's not gonna work. What is that? Oh, nothing. Nothing there. Somebody grabbed some speakers and decided they didn't want them. And I thought about taking these, repainting them, and selling them, but I don't want to even deal with the hassle. I would have loved to. Just custom color whatever you want it. But, nah. We got one more to go look at. I really don't have to, but I want to because I want to see what's there. On a picture, it seemed like it's yellow, but the description says green, so it might have a wrap on it. And I believe it's under 54. See, we're at 52 right now. 53. Here. I think oh no, is that it? It's 54, right? 54, yeah. I think it's all the way down there. Oh, it's not wrapped. It's just it's that lime green. It's the lime green one. In the pictures, it look yellow. Yeah, here it is. Poor thing. Oh my gosh, that was nice. And they tore it apart. Oh, they painted that. Amazon delivery driver. Wow. Yep, it's sure. Oh no, it is wrapped. Well, it's painted. It's painted. They repainted it. It was the might green, and then they painted this yellowish green. Take a look inside. What we have in here? Nothing. That's old pull-out radio. Nothing really needed here. Wow. I think this one was just dropped off. Is it all-wheel drive? Yep. All-wheel drive. All-wheel driven. Those struts look new. Huh. I wouldn't doubt it. The only reason I say that because of that tag on top. It had a power steering leak. Ooh, looks bad. Well, I think that's it. It's getting extremely hot. This heat been killing me the last few days, so I try to stay out of it. Yesterday I almost passed out. I mean, I'm drinking plenty of water. It's just getting to me. I was out there working on the lawnmower, and I started getting dizzy a little bit, so I stopped. That's a nice Mini Cooper. I kept looking at that Mini Cooper right there. Oh my God, I want another one so bad. Don't need it. Don't need it. So, I think that's it. I'll pick back up if I find something else. All right, so let's see. I don't know if you guys can see this. They charge for those 4 plugs was basically $24. That door molding rubber, $7 for a door molding. But a plugs is way more. But the good thing, he didn't charge me for the stock thing, and it was sitting right there. So I guess he just said screw it because those are so expensive. Yeah, huh? $38. So, and I keep the receipts in my little bag thing. Alright, well, I guess that is it for the Junkyard Adventures. I'm not going to go down to the other one. They only had one there, and it's been there for a while, so I'm pretty sure that it is picked to the bones. So I'm not even going to waste my time. And I really, mostly what I needed was the washer stock. I don't even know the actual name of that. But that's mostly what I needed. The second thing I needed was the weather stripping for the door, and the plugs. I needed a set for. I have a set for my car, but they're the wrong year. So I mean, I could have maybe fixed it where they plug in, but I didn't want them to pop loose, so I didn't want to do that. I just want them straight, straight plug in, like if it was an OEM. And I wish I would have found none of them. Wish I could have found the fog light button, but I didn't see those at all, because I would have used one of those instead of that little switch. I would have put that in the black element, the switch. So until then, please guys comment, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Deuces.